There are many reasons that a tile can break after it has been installed. Be sure to properly diagnose why the tile is broken so that the repair will be long-lasting and not subject to similar failures in the future. Removal of a broken tile can cause damage to adjoining tiles. The first step to minimize additional damage is to remove the grout line. There are several ways to remove a grout line. This method will use a rotary tool to make a single cut into the center of the grout line. Once the grout line has been cut, it is then possible to remove the remaining grout using a box cutter knife with a new blade. Continue cutting the grout away until all of it has been removed. Begin by impacting the center of the tile to create a hole. Once the grout is removed, it is then possible to remove the tile with a hammer and chisel without damaging the surrounding tiles. Once you have formed a hole, you can place the chisel at the bottom of the tile and impact it until it breaks free from the subfloor. It is necessary to remove all of the adhesive that was used to install the original tile. Simply gluing a new tile over the old adhesive will cause the new tile to sit higher than the surrounding tiles. This demonstration shows a straight edge over the tile. There is a small gap on the edges of the straight edge indicating the new tile will sit higher than the rest of the surrounding tiles once it has been installed. The remaining adhesive can be removed by scraping, sanding with a grinder, or chiseling it out slowly. With the adhesive removed, the straight edge test will now show that the new tile is lower than the surrounding tiles. The gap under the straight edge indicates adequate room for new adhesive. You can now install the new tile using the proper adhesive. Always be sure to use enough adhesive to fully bed the tile with no voids. Grout can be installed once the new adhesive is fully dried. Note that the appearance of the new grout will be slightly different than the old grout and will take time to blend in. Remember that broken tiles can be repaired. A small repair will restore new life into your installation. If a repair like this is not within your skill level,